The cooking day! It's the last week of term 2 and I wanted to make it a fun and memorable week for my class by having a cooking day because I know how much they love food. Who doesn't? So in week 9, we planned the activity well. I told the class that each one who will be joining will have to pay $3,000. Those who got enough amount in banker paid straight away. Those who didn't have enough felt so bad, but their friends were willing to pay for them. But I said, nope. But of course, I didn't want them to miss out. So I helped them come up with the amount by doing some more work on Seesaw and Math Pro the Text that have equivalent points. A book review was worth $500, and a few did it. They did their cooking plan on Google Slides with the name of the food and drinks they would prepare, the equipment, and ingredients they needed. Also, the steps on how to and a short sentence for the conclusion.
You're gonna put it in your... Yeah, but already tasted one. It's your first time to make this.
We made it in payment and we made
Why did you need my help then?
You should have come late 2 days at the I know that you want
You try making another one using your temperature. Because I just turned it on.
To some students, especially the year 5, it was their first time to learn how to make slides. So I bought all ingredients for them on the weekend, and I came to school on Monday morning with 4 grocery bags. But it's great to have a tech room in the school where we have the equipment to use. It was just the oven that was not working.
I know.
They share their slides with me so I can see and provide feedback on their work. So one group who picked the baking wasn't able to achieve their goal. They ended up chucking their mixture into the sink.
Oh no!
That was such a shame. But in the end, it was a very fun and unforgettable learning experience for them. So what activity will we have next time? Feel free to suggest in the comments section below.